How do you share a clip to Discord, Happy?
Hold on.
Rap attempt. Nope, he
Oh
fluked it.
my god!
Happy flukes yet another
Holy
level.
shit.
I don't fluke anything.
I was
don't
shaking
fluke anything.
so.
I don't fluke anything.
I was shaking so fucking bad at that last part.
I don't
Oh my
fluke
god!
anything.
I thought I was gonna die. I thought I was gonna die.
To
Holy
be
shit!
To be fair, everybody and their mom flukes this level. You're just a special little plumpkin, Jack.
I died at that robot cube duel like 10 times.
I said I'm gonna fucking die at that robot cube duel and I'm ready for it and I fucking fluked it. Holy shit.
Best level in the game.